Sir, I thank you giving me for opportunity to participate in this discussion. I, on behalf of my party, Indian Union Muslim League, rise to support the railway budget 2008-2009. The railway budget presented by the Honorable Minister is testimony to the dynamism Laluji has imparted to his portfolio. The record profits posted is tribute to the forward-looking policies he has ushered in. Permit me to congratulate the Honorable Minister on keeping up the excellent work. Container business mission 100MT, new wagon investment scheme, door-to-door logistics services, and dedicated freight corridor initiatives are industry-friendly steps. Increasing public-private partnerships in the areas of ports, loco and coach factories, container depots and trains, multimodal logistics park, rolling stock production units and facilities at metro stations are all witness to fresh thinking in terms of policy. The decision to issue tickets through mobiles is a marriage of convenience with much needed transparency that will benefit commoners. Provision for modular toilets and on-board cleaning in trains are hygienic measures. But I must confess to a sense of dismay in that the aspiration of people of Kerala, especially of Malabar, have not been adequately met. My home state has been let down in the case of projects and their allocations. Even while welcoming the announcement of the Kanjikode coach factory, no allocation has been made for it. Although the Chief Minister has personally met the PM on this, for a venture of such magnitude, funds have to be allocated and released immediately. The electrification of Shornur-Mangalore sector has to be taken expeditiously. The proposed Nilambur-Nanjangud railway line will connect the backward district of Malappuram and Wayanad, the worst district in Kerala by farm distress, with the national network, and put it on the rail map of India. Farm and agriculture produce from these regions in the light of the mega food processing parks being envisaged can be moved more cheaply. The ministry has estimated rupees 500 crore cost as the broad gauge project after survey was conducted. The 225-kilometer rail line on implementation will reduce the travel time between Bangalore and Kochi by 120 kilometers from the present rail route via Coimbatore and Salem in Tamil Nadu. It can also act as a feeder route to Konkan Railway from this hinterland. Rail tourism would benefit from travel through the scenic locale, home to the famous Bandipur, Mudumalai and Muttanga sanctuaries. Recreational facilities abound for professionals seeking respite from high pressure, considering that this rails on the route of the major IT hubs of Bangalore and Kochi. Further, it will render access from remote areas of the two backward states in Kerala to Karipur International Airport. The proposed survey of Angadipuram-Kozhikode line could also be done along with this. The people of the three southern states of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu were sure that popular demand and political effort would see the project being given the green signal. But to the considerable dismay of all concerned, I am sorry to say the railway continued to neglect these backward areas. I am sure that the visionary in Laluji will grasp the burgeoning potential of this line and breathe life into the long-cherished project of the people of these three southern Indian states. I thank Honorable Minister for announcing a Shornur-Nilambur passenger train in the budget. At present, 5 pair trains are running between Shornur and Nilambur. The one allocated in the budget should be the 6th one, that is 17:30 departing from Nilambur and 17:30 departing from Shornur. The present all trains should be regularized and put in the timetable. It is proved all the present trains are economically viable. I thank once again for considering HIV positive people, students and senior citizens in the railway budget. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Wahab, for sticking on time. Good. That's enough. Now, Mr. Prani, 5 minutes. Okay?
धन्यवाद उपसभाध्यक्ष महोदय। ऐसा नहीं कि बोलने के लिए मैं आखिरी तक बैठा रहता हूं, ऐसा नहीं है। 3 साल 6 महीने से